institution. It has got a very good collection of books and journals on various topics. A departmental seminar is a common feature of this institution in which the inherent talent of the students are exposed. Similarly, industrial visits are also a part and parcel of the curriculum in which the students gain first-hand knowledge about industries and its functioning. Now in the next year, in-plant training will be arranged for students to get additional inputs towards their technical skills. Now the Department of Humanities and Science inculcate and motivate the students for various activities like quiz, debates, seminars to develop the latent talents of our young students. Now the annual sports day which was conducted on 27th February 2004. Now it is worth mentioning that the sports and athletic performance of our students had been showing up a steady upward trend. The college recently opened up staff and students chapters of the ISTA, the Indian Society of Technical Education, an all India body consisting of technical teachers for their welfare and development of both staff and students. Now today, we have also arranged the inaugural function of this ISTA. For your information, we have just now received the ISO certification. To the set of students who are going to present a cultural program here, right? It is going to depict the various cultures that is existing among us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, I request the chairman of the institutions and the chief guest of today's function, Mr. PMM Nandu.